This is Xi'an, in the northwest China's Shaanxi province. Xi'an has developed rapidly over the past decade, with its population increased to over 4 million. This is Zhengzhou, in central China's Hunan province, whose population growth rate ranks 5th in the country. This is Guiyang, in southwest China's Guizhou province. Its population grew by more than 1.6 million in the past 10 years. Chao Yudong and his team are starting an intelligent car business in Guiyang. In 2015, they came to Guiyang from Beijing.
贵阳有人才、有资本、有工厂，来让我们去真正的把这件事情做好。我们相信在未来可以改变世界。
Due to its mountainous terrain and lack of transportation, Guiyang's economic development had long been restricted with a severe brain drain. Starting from 2013, the city has focused on big data industries and developed electronic information manufacturing industry, advanced equipment manufacturing industry, and new energy automobile industry. Emerging industries continue to spring up, attracting an influx of talents.
我从广东过来，
我从北京过来。
这里的创业环境就非常的好。
Today, an increasing number of young people have chosen Western regions for their startups. An analysis on the newly registered market entities in 338 Chinese cities over the past 10 years shows that the market players in traditional manufacturing industries and strategic emerging industries have increased by more than fourfold over the decade. With strategic emerging industries as a focus, we found that over the past decade, the strategic emerging industries clusters, such as equipment manufacturing and new energy, have been gradually extending from the eastern coast to the inland cities, forming new industrial clusters in the Midwestern regions. From Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region, the Yangtze River Delta, to the Pearl River Delta and central part of Yunnan, from Chengdu, Chongqing to Tian Shan and Beipo in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, they have become emerging regions with active population mobility. The distribution of industries are highly overlapped in these regions. Suining, a small city located at juncture of Chengdu and Chongqing, used to rely on textile industry. In the past 10 years, it has become a new highland of development thanks to Chengdu-Chongqing economic circle. Automobile and new energy industries have taken shape in Suining. Now, the city can produce over 200 vehicles per day, which are sold to cities along the Yangtze River economic belt. It produces 28,000 square meters of printed circuit boards every day. The products are sold to southeast coastal regions, as well as the United States and European countries via the land-sea trade passages. Over the past 10 years, China's major strategies for regional development have transformed the non-coastal Midwestern inland regions into the forefront of opening up, and formed new paradigms for further development. As night falls, these changes become clearer. With the help of the nighttime light composite data system developed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, we can see that this is Xinjiang 10 years ago. This is Xinjiang in 2022. This is Yunnan 10 years ago. This is today's Yunnan. This is Jiangxi 10 years ago. This is Jiangxi now. The area of night lights detected has increased by over 80%. The area and intensity of night lights recorded have increased by nearly 50% over the past 10 years. The nighttime light data shows the developmental trajectories and also lights up the hope for Midwestern China.